Once a Taurus enters your life, everything around you gets a little better. Taurus will either tell you exactly what they think or stay silent. Comment your birth date and find your Taurus twin. Taurus are great at distancing themselves from people, so be careful how you treat them. A Taurus would rather have no company than bad company. If you weren't a Taurus, what zodiac sign would you wish you were and why? Comment down below. Taurus cannot tolerate liars, cheaters, or ignorance. Do you want to gain a Taurus's attention? It's simple. Don't try too hard. Don't put on a show and just be you. They don't have time for assumptions. They need facts and results. It drives a Taurus crazy to not understand why someone did something. Taurus is a little short-tempered. When people start to assume things and speak on things they have no clue about, Taurus know how to deal with disappointment better than most and come out stronger on the other side. Taurus will go beyond space and time for the one they really love.